Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Tron from your OKX wallet to your Telegram wallet in just few simple steps. So make sure to stick around till the end. Let's get started. First, open your OKX wallet. Once you're inside, scroll down until you see Tron. If you don't see it listed, no worries. Just click on Manage Crypto and add Tron to your wallet. Now that you have got Tron in your wallet, click on the Send option. On the next screen, you'll need to enter your receiving address, and this is where your Telegram wallet comes in. So head over to your Telegram app, open your wallet and click receive. Now copy the address that shows up. Go back to your OKX wallet, paste the addresses into the recipient field and confirm it. Next, enter the amount of Tron you want to transfer and click next. Once you have double checked everything, hit withdraw to send Tron directly to your Telegram wallet. And that's it. That's how easy is to transfer Tron from OKX to your Telegram wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.